Adriana Smith was a 31-year-old registered nurse and a mother of one who was declared brain dead back in February of this year after suffering severe blood clots in her brain. And at the time, she was just 8 weeks pregnant. So why was she kept alive even though she was actually declared brain dead? Smith was kept on life support for months against her family's wishes due to doctors' concerns about Georgia's Living Infants Fairness and Equality Act. This law was actually enacted back in 2022 after Roe versus Wade was overturned. Bans most abortions once fetal cardiac activity is detected, which is typically around 6 weeks of pregnancy, and grants personhood rights to a fetus. So doctors reportedly told Smith's family that because she was brain dead and no longer considered to be in a medical emergency that threatened her own life, the law required them to maintain life support until the fetus could be delivered. However, the Georgia Attorney General's office later clarified that the Life Act does not require medical professionals to keep a woman on life support after brain death, stating that removing life support is not an action with the purpose to terminate a pregnancy. Despite this, the hospital where Smith was treated, which was over at Emory University Hospital, did not publicly comment on the Attorney General's statement. Some legal experts suggest that Georgia's advance directive for the Health Care Act, which has a pregnancy exclusion prioritizing the survival of an unborn child in certain circumstances, may have played a role in the hospital's decision. Adriana Smith's family, particularly her mother, April Newkirk, expressed immense heartbreak and frustration over this situation. Newkirk described the experience as torture, stating, "I see my daughter breathing, but she's not there." She emphasized that while they don't know if they would have chosen to terminate the pregnancy, they should have been given the choice. Newkirk firmly believes that all women should have a choice about their bodies. The family rallied for Adriana's law to ensure individuals retain agency over their own medical decisions, even when pregnant. Adriana Smith's baby, a boy named Chance, was delivered back on June 13th, weighing 1 pound and 13 ounces. Smith was taken off of life support 4 days later on June 17th.